Biggest problem has been lack of information and also the resources to help people get screened. That is why we've partnered with different people to make sure that they get the chance to be screened, they know about the cancer, and we've been using our station as Mog FM to raise awareness and let people know that cancer is real, and this is why we continue with this initiative. We've done these medical camps. We started off in Tharaka County. We also did it in Meru County at Motokeama in Kanyakine. We also went to Mailisaba, and right now we're planning for another one at Gundua.
There's much effort to put in resources, especially for drugs. One of the biggest challenges that is good we know ni gharama ya matibabu. Not many people can afford. And what we are telling our people, number one is good, we enroll ourselves to NHIF or UHC so that the bulk ama ile uzito ya matibabu ya cancer iweze kugharamiwa na NHIF. They are able to pay even for some of the most expensive drugs that we are having for treating cancer, and we are encouraging as many of us waweze kujiunga na NHIF, pay that 500 a month. Part of this initiative and are ready together with the partners is to tell people that you need to go for screening. For example, we usually say wanaume ukifika miaka kama 40 get regular or yearly checks for prostate cancer. For women, cervical cancer from the age of 15. We usually have initiatives that are led by the government